Does the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S24 Plus or the Ultra come with a default screen protector? Now, unfortunately, this year it does not have a default screen protector. So instead, if you want to protect your purchased screen, you need to purchase them separately. Now you can purchase a film protector. This is the Whitestone UV Gen Film screen protector. So you can buy a film to protect your screen, or if you want to fill the glass, you can buy the dome glass. So this is the Whitestone dome glass. It's a premium screen protector. You have to use the liquid adhesive to attach the screen, the glass protector to the screen, and this is a very nice usage because it gives you a very realistic feel of the screen if you are going for the dome glass. And that's it. There is no screen protector, so if you want to immediately use your phone, then you should go and purchase one of the screen protectors to protect the screen from getting scratches. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.